Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video we will have a look at a very interesting device. This is a Tuya compatible device from a company called Zemismart. And the thing that this device is unique is because it's not only infra red controller, but it's also radio frequency controller, so it's 2-in-1. So let's have a look. This one is available on AliExpress for around $20 US. As you can see, it comes in standard brown box and there's not much inside. You get the dongle and the instruction manual in English. The instruction manual is well written and everything that you need to know how to connect it is in there. You might need to try a few times before it connects to your app, but we'll see that later. The device itself is 32 x 70 x 13 millimeters in size. It works on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, and the power it needs, at least according to specifications, is only 100 milliamperes. The infrared range is up to 15 meters, and the infrared angle is up to 30 degrees. Radio frequency it supports is 433 megahertz, and it supports various RF modulation methods. So let's see how it is installed. First of all, you need a power supply. I will use my power station to connect a USB extender cable, and I will just plug it in. First of all, you need to press the button on the dongle and hold it for 1 second, and then you need to release it and wait for 2 seconds and press the button again, and this time hold it for 5 seconds. Now you can launch a Tuya app, and when you go to add new device, it should pop up immediately. It should find the device. From this point on, it's only next, and the device should be installed. It will probably find new firmware updates, so you can just select yes and update it immediately. Now that everything is set up, you can add your remote controls. You will just select a type. For instance, I will have to add my Samsung TV, so in the search box I will just type Samsung, it'll find Samsung. And then you will have to press 3 or 4 buttons, because there are several standards. So you see, you just press the buttons and it will find your remote. So now it's added and you can try it. When I press the on button here, it will turn on my TV. Now, I suppose it works pretty similar for RF devices. There is a special menu for RF devices. Unfortunately, I don't have any, so it didn't find any RF devices. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.